Hello everyone. So welcome to our channel, and in this video we will be sharing few of the remote based job opportunities for software testing for manual as well as for experienced. Also we will be sharing few of the fresher related job opportunities. So in the comment section of the video we are getting that they need the candidates, the subscribers need the job support for the Pune location. So we have come up with few remote based jobs and one or two Pune based locations job as well, and for fresher job as well. So all these job opportunities would be covered in this particular video. And before that, please do hit the like button and share this video in your network so that it reaches to the maximum people who are looking for jobs out there, right? And these content is made absolutely free of cost, so you don't have to pay anything. And let's hit the like button so that we get motivated for such kind of videos. So the very first job opportunity is for a remote QA manual tester opportunity, which we are looking for PST time zone. Okay. And this QA manual tester need to have 3 to 5 years of experience and should be able to work remotely in the PST time zone. And what are the roles and responsibilities is, so 3 to 5 years of experience, someone who has got expertise in creating and executing test cases and passion for ensuring product quality. So again, test case writing, test case designing, then collaborate with cross-functional teams, execute test plan, report defects, contribute to the overall quality assurance process. And perks are also there. You can apply by sending your CV to hr@omnisolution.in with QA manual tester dash remote in the subject line. Okay, so that is there. The second job opportunity is again a remote based job for manual as well as for functional tester, someone who has got experience in Jira and in manual testing. Duration will be of 1 year. It's a remote based job. Rate is $45 per hour and it is C2C. Okay. And skills required is manual testing and functional validation and test scripts. Someone who has got expertise in test scripts. Yeah. Now the third job opportunity is for a fresher who is willing to start their career as a quality analyst. Fresher or 1 year of experience. The location would be Ahmedabad, and it will be 5 days working from office. So this is a work from office based location. This is not work from home or remote. The earlier two job opportunities were remote, and this is a work from office. And apart from that, we have got a Pune based location, sorry, Pune based job opportunity in which the company name is Simplify Healthcare, who is hiring manual tester for two roles. One is QA analyst and one is lead QA. For QA analyst, they need someone with 0 to 3 years of experience. Lead QA is highly experienced, and this is the Google form that you need to submit. Then HIC is hiring freshers as a QA trainee manual tester. The timings would be 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. It will be a work from office. Again, Simplify Healthcare from Pune. So this is also work from office, right? And this is the email address, anjana@hicglobalsolutions.com. And this is a remote based job opportunity then, in which again you need Jira plus manual testing, and this is the email address, saikrishna@casecorp.com. Okay, so yeah, in this the email address was sushmita@irginc.net. Then we have got Iris Software Inc., who is hiring an SDET. Skills required is a Selenium, Core Java, Rest Assured. Location is Gurgaon. This is a work from office based job opportunity. Experience required would be 5 to 11 years, right? Immediate to 30 days joiners max, and you can share your CV at this particular email address. And then last is we have got RPA developer job opportunity, which is a remote based job, and qualifications required are graduate or PG. Skills is RPA, UiPath, AI, robot, and anyone who is willing to apply for this job position can send their CV to this particular email address. Right. So these are few of the job opportunities who are for freshers as well as for experienced, work from home, work from office based. So you can apply to these job opportunities today itself. And please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe our channel.